Now let's see this question. P, Q, R, S and T are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. So which means now 5 people are actually arranged in a circular table and everyone is sitting towards, facing the center, right? And who among them is sitting to the immediate right of R? So once you finish the arrangement, who is sitting to the right of R is the question. Now let's see the data. Now the data is given in statement number 1 and statement number 2. Now we have to find out using which statement we are able to answer the question. Now the statement number 1 is saying Q is sitting between P and T. So let us say Q is somewhere here and Q is sitting between P and T. Therefore one possibility is P might be here and T might be here, right? And the other possibility is, if we assume that Q is here, then T might be here and P might be here. So this is what we are able to derive from this first one. And T is sitting to the immediate right of S. So if you are going to place S somewhere, then T has to be in the immediate right? Now if you try to place anywhere here, let us say I want to place T is sitting to the immediate right of S. Therefore if I put S here, if I try to place S here, then to the left of S T is going to come. Either you put S here or here or here, anywhere, right? To the left of S only T is going to come. Therefore this might not be the required arrangement. So let's go with this arrangement, right? And here if you try to put S here, right? Now you can see that to the right of S there is a T, isn't it? If you put S here, then you are going to see that to the right of S there is T. Therefore till this point this arrangement is right, okay? And that is the data given and nothing else. Now how many people are there? There are totally 5 people and only R is missing. So only place in which I can put R is anywhere between these 2 points, right? From here to here, anywhere I can put R. So only place where I can put R is this. Got it? Therefore now the question is, who is sitting to the immediate right of R is the question. So if you observe this, to the right of R, the one is S. Got it? So S is the answer. Using the data which is given in statement number 1, I am able to answer the question, right? So what can we say? 1 is sufficient. But then we should not stop there. Let's see, either by using 2 I will be able to answer it or not. So 2 is saying that Q is second to the left of R. So if I am going to write R here, right, and this is the first left and second left, okay? So Q is going to be second to the left of R and is second to the right of S. So Q is second to the right of S. So I have to place S somewhere here, right? And this is the first right and this is second right, okay? Now we have 3 people in right, whatever we got is between these 3 people, relative position between these 3 people, and 2 people we don't know where to place them. And now I have 2 places, right? So this one and this one, they have to be filled. So what are the combinations I have? So P is remaining and T is remaining. Either P can be here, then T will be here, or T will be here, then P will be here, right? I am going to get these combinations. Now whatever the combination it is, the question is who is to the right of R. So always to the right of R, S is going to come. Therefore even using the statement number 2, I am able to answer the question. But one thing you should observe here is both the data, which means the data given in statement number 1 and the statement number 2 are giving us the same answer. But it need not be that case in all the questions, right? So in this case we got that both of them are going to give us the same answer, right? But it need not be the it need not be the case in all the other examples. But whatever it is, we are able to answer the question either using 1 or using 2. Therefore the option is 3. So what does it mean? You can answer the question either by using the data in 1 or by using the data in 2, right? But don't worry about the exact answer. We should only worry whether we are able to answer it or not. Even if the exact answer are different, still the option will be 3. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.